Hi everyone, I'm Napoleon Yang, the solution engineer from DJ Enterprise. Today, I'm going to introduce how to use the patrol route. Patrol route allows you to use a drone to patrol a specific area and search for targets such as people and vehicles. It also supports third-party detection models. Right now, the supported models are the Matrix 4 series and the Matrix 4D series, with more models to be supported in the future updates. Let's get started. First, let's go through how to create a patrol route. You can click the flight route library here and click the new button and select patrol route. Today we're going to use for the Dock 3, so I will select the Matrix 4D and Matrix 4TD and click OK. So you can see three options here. Visible light is for searching people, vehicles, and boats. Infrared will use the thermal camera to detect the temperature anomalies in the image, such as for detecting the wildfire in the forest. If you have imported a third-party model, you can use it to detect the other objects, such as smoke, road cracks, animals, etc. Today, we are going to use the visible camera on the Dock 3, so we will select visible here. And we will search for people and vehicles, for example. Regarding the confidence level, it is recommended to set between 35 and 75%. The higher this number, the more accurate of the detection will be, but it may have some missed identifications. And on the other hand, the lower of this number, the more likely to be misidentifications may happen. So today we're going to set at about 65%. Okay. You can set it according to your use case or have several tests at the very beginning. And yes, it's recommended to turn on the full route recording so you can rewatch the video afterwards. The triggered action is very important. So you can select take photos or videos. In some special scenarios, you can choose to take over manually. So today we will use take photo here. So here you can customize the route name and warning message in the alert email as shown here as an example. Here's an example here. Okay. So next, you need to set the takeoff point. If you use it for Dock 3, just click the position of the Dock 3. If you want to use it with the Matrix 4 series, you just click the position you are going to take off. For the altitude, it is recommended to use the AGL to keep a consistent distance from the drone to the ground. You can see different subject has different recommended detection range to improve the recognition accuracy. Today we are going to look for people and vehicles, so 60 meters seems to be a good number. Remember to turn on the real-time terrain follow if the model supports this feature. Okay. You can set the detection area anytime you want. Pay attention to the gimbal tilt angle. So as you know, the top-down view is usually not ideal for recognition. So the default viewing angle is -45. The flight path will be slightly outside the observation area. So please pay attention to the flight safety. You can also adjust between -90 to -30. So these are the key settings for the patrol routes. Next, I will demonstrate how to run a patrol route mission using the Dock 3. Okay, so now we are in the test plan library. Let's create the plan, enter the name, select the route we just created. Here's the demo and select the dock you are going to run the mission. Here in the notification settings, if this route has the AI warning feature, you can select the in-web notifications or email. You can also set the different notification frequency. For the positioning accuracy, you can use RTK if you require a higher accuracy, or you can select the GNSS if you don't need a high accuracy for patrol. Optimal RTH is recommended to be set, and also you can set the return to home altitude. Okay. Then you can click OK to run the mission. Okay, let's enter the virtual cockpit. You can see the drone is now taking off. Now the drone has arrived the start point. Okay, now the mission has been started. Looks like it finds the first target. Okay, here's the car. And it continues the mission. You see the speed is very fast, 50 meters per second. Here it finds the second target. You can change to the vision assist view if you need it, because usually the drone will not fly towards the direction. Okay, now it finds the third target. Okay, now the mission is finished. Let's check the results. Okay, here is the media folder of the mission. We can click the video to play the whole playback of the mission, the whole video. Okay. And you can click on different folders to check for the targets. Okay. So that is the patrol route. To summarize, the first thing you need to do is to create a plan in the flight route library, a patrol route. The second thing you need to do is, if you're using a Dock 3, you run the mission in the test plan library. If you run it in the normal Mature 4 series, you just go to the site and run from your RC. Then the photos and videos will be uploaded into the FlightHub 2. Thanks for the watching. See you.